Cordelia! Baby girl! Thank you for answering me. I love you. So having a wild pet crow as your pet is pretty badass. She knows where I work. She knows where I live. She knows where my mule and my horse both live. Yes, you do, Cordelia. And when a flock of crows comes to visit, it represents your guardians and your ancestors. Thank you, Cordelia. And as you see, they just answered through Cordelia. Thank you. Animal spirits are very high in energy. Yes, you are, Cordelia. And crows are very powerful. Thank you, guys. And a flock of crows is called a murder. Thank you very much for answering me, crows. Yes, I love you guys too. Thank you. Thank you for always protecting me and watching over me, Cordelia. Yes, Cordelia and I have a very special bond. Yes, we do, Cordelia. I love you. She's very beautiful and she's very powerful. Yes, you are, Cordelia. I love you, Cordelia.